Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the differences between the isolated worker model and the in-process model for .NET Azure Functions. So let's know the difference between what is an in-process model and what is an isolated model. So for the in-process model, basically your functions runs in the same process as the functions host process. That means that if there are any errors, the function host process may be terminated. But for the isolated worker model, your function runs is in a separate worker process. So that way it's isolated from other functions. So the one of the important things is that the support for the in-process model is going to end on November 10th, 2026. And if you want full support, you'll need to migrate your apps to the isolated worker model. Let's look at the comparison table and some of the important differences. So firstly, the packages you need to install are different for the isolated worker model as opposed to the in-process model. For the core packages for the isolated worker model would be following two. And the other main difference is for the HTTP trigger model, the types change, especially if you are using the HTTP request message and the HTTP response message for the in-process model. You'll need to change those to HTTP request data and HTTP response data. Let me show you an example. So if you go to the following link, you will see that the examples for the isolated worker model and the in-process model. So here in the code they have used HTTP request, which is available in both the in-process model and the isolated worker model. But if you are using HTTP request message in the in-process model, you had to change that to the HTTP request data for the isolated worker model. I will also give you the links of these two Microsoft pages. Thank you.